Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be on my BoxyCharm for November. I'm super excited. It finally came. I've been getting it around like the 9th of November, so I don't know why I get it so late, but I'm super excited. This is one of my favorite videos to do all month. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's in here. Alright, so first we have our little pamphlet here, and it does say Gold Digger. That is the theme of this box. Okay, so opening it up, first thing I see here is the LASHAHOLIC lashes, and these look very pretty. A little less dramatic than what I'm used to. I usually have like a little bit more flare, but these are a good everyday lash probably. We'll try them on a little bit later. I haven't actually heard of this company, but I like the box. It's gold, so it kind of goes with the theme, even though it's not Gold Digger, it's goal, like your goals in life. But yeah, so I'm excited, and this kind of has a little thing to pull out if I want to pull this out. I don't know why I would. Magnet, so it keeps them in there good. And next we have the Luxie brushes, and it looks like they're a little on the smaller side, so they're more like detailed brushes, it looks like. Alright, so here are the brushes that we got, and they are also gold themed, so you have your gold handle. It's all like sparkly gold. I kind of like that. And we have two little mini blender brushes, and then two a little bigger than that. Still, I would call them a mini, but this one's a fluffy one, and this one is angled. This one is fluffy, and then this one is angled. So we have two small ones, one super mini, almost like a micro mini, and then minis. So I'll be using those also. I'm excited about these. Brushes are like the best because they never expire. You never have to throw them away. They last forever if you take care of them. So super. Alright, so next in our box here, I'm seeing this from JONTEBLU-Glittering Star Eyeliner. So it's a black eyeliner with glitter in it. So I don't know, I'm not really a big glitter eyeliner person, so I might just start a box and start gathering things that I'm going to put in a giveaway, and this might actually be my first item that I'm going to put in my giveaway box. So we'll see. I don't think I'm going to try this out. Usually I like my eyeliner super matte and dark, so any kind of glitter or reflex, things like that, it just kind of distracts from it. And if I'm going to do a glitter eyeliner, I'm not going to do a black one, I'm going to do a colorful one, okay? So, or you know, something with a little bit of color. So we'll see. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do with this, but here is the black glitter eyeliner. And next is the Ace Beauty palette. Now this one I did see in an email and I was super excited to try. And here we go. So here's the outside. It's like a black plastic, or not plastic, I don't even know what this is. It's like cardboard. And then there's gold embellishments or like detail on it. And that's the palette right there. Those are the colors. So super beautiful. I really like this. So this palette has 4 shimmers and 4 bold mattes, and I'm excited to try this, so we'll definitely be getting into that one. And last but not least, here we got the Cover FX glitter drops, which I did know were coming. And yeah, so I'm excited that they put it in the box. It is $44 just for this little bottle right here. And these are like glitter concentrate. So you can put this in your lotion, you can put it with your foundation, you can put it on top of, underneath. I mean, it's just a very universal product. So I'm excited. Yes, we'll try this out today too. Yep, that's all we have in the box, which, I mean, that's awesome. Okay, so after adding up all of the products, the total is $109.98. So basically $110. You get products for 21 bucks, and you can't beat that. I feel like it's a great subscription. Okay, so we're gonna start here with the Ace Beauty palette, and I'm going to just do a fun little look. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do yet. I am going to use the biggest fluffy brush that I got in the Luxie set this month. And let's see, I'm going to go in with the color Patchouli, which is probably not going to do much for me. It's probably just about like the color of my skin tone, but just to give it a nice base so that it blends a little bit easier. Yeah, and this is definitely more of like a detailed brush, so I don't know, I might go in with a bigger fluffy brush just to kind of get that transition color going. So I think I'm going to go in with this color Clove. I mean, why not? So that's this color right here. It's like a nice coral pink color. And I'm just going to use that for a little transition. Ooh, yeah, that's pretty. That blends nice. It's a pretty pigment. Not too bad on the follow either. So, you see, it's like just a little bit, not really. And then going in again with that fluffy brush that I just got from Luxie, and I'm going to go into the color Cinnamon. It's right here. So like the matte brown in the palette. And go right into that crease. See, this brush is nice for this because it doesn't go all over and you can kind of just really get into that crease, which is cool. These colors are so pretty too. I mean, exactly fall, Thanksgiving type colors. So it's going to be really nice for some fall looks that I have planned. I'll just kind of buff that out. Keeping it nice and soft around the edges. And then I'm going to go in with the color Poppy. So that's going to be this color right here. And I think I'm going to go in with the angled brush, so the bigger angled brush that I got also in this month's box. So tap that off, and I'm just going to go right into that corner B. See, this is kind of cool because it's angled, so it gives it like a nice, I don't know, like point right there. Spray it with a little bit of Fix Plus here. And I think I'm going to go into the color Primrose, right here. This beautiful gold color. And we're going to go right into this inner area. Oh yeah, that's a pretty color. You can really layer this, so it kind of gives it more gold. See? So that's like 2 layers. That's 1. Like that. And then going in with the last little angled brush, and I'm going to go into Jasmine, which is this one right here. I'm going to put that on my brow bone. And then a little on my inner corner. There we go. Okay, and so I also want to do a little bit on my lower lash line, so I'm going to take that color Poppy, that darkest red color again, and I'm going to run that along my lower lash line. The only thing I don't like about this palette is that there's no mirror in it. Okay, so now I'm going to try on these LASHAHOLIC Luxury Lashes. It doesn't even have a name on it. I don't know what this name, or what they're called, you know, this brand. Or I mean, I know the brand, but I don't know what lash this is. Maybe they just have one lash that they make. But, okay, so we got the glue on here just about ready and dry. And this is my right one, so I'm going to just stick this right on. So that's them. I just have to kind of wait for them to dry, and then I blend my eyelashes in with them afterwards. I know it's a little backwards. Not everybody does it that way, but I like to. But actually I really like these. I feel like they're very natural. They're very light, and the band is a nice thick band that doesn't feel thick, so you don't have to necessarily put the eyeliner on and chance it getting all effed up. Alright, and then going in with the IT Cosmetics mascara that I got in last month's box, and I'm just gonna kind of tap my eyelashes so that they blend in with the false eyelashes. Okay, so that's the eyelashes kind of blended in. I really like them. I think they look nice. And so I'm just going to try this last product, the glitter drops. And this is a tricky product sometimes because, I mean, you can use it with anything, but you don't want to use too much because it's so concentrated. Like, it just drops right there. So I'm just going to grab a little bit off of the wand and I'm going to spread it in my finger, almost like an oil. Get it all over my finger, and then I'm just going to kind of put it on like the highlight that it's supposed to be used as. And that didn't do anything. Cool. Alright, so let's see. How about... Okay, so I'm going to put a little drop on my finger from this glitter drops, and I'm just going to run it across here, and kind of spread it in. And it's supposed to work as a highlight. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. See how that kind of shines, and it's so pretty. And you know, it's not too glittery like I thought it was going to be, so I'm excited about that. And the rest I'm just going to kind of rub on my shoulders, because you can never have too much glitter on your shoulders or your neck. What is this called? I forget, there's like a fancy French word or something for it, but yeah. So that's the BoxyCharm for November. I hope that you guys like this review and unboxing. You guys have to check out BoxyCharm. It's so worth it. It's only 21 bucks a month, and you always get over $100 worth of products. And yeah, can't beat that. So I feel like it's a win-win. And you know what? I'm just going to stick some lip stuff because I forgot. Alright guys, that's it. I feel like the products this month were great. BoxyCharm really stepped it up this month in my opinion. Last couple months were still good. I mean, they weren't bad, but this month I really love all the products that I got, except the eyeliner, the black eyeliner glitter thing. That wasn't my favorite. I'll probably give that away. But thank you so much for watching, and I'm so happy that you guys are here. Give it a thumbs up if you did like this video, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!